the third part of our online class, we discussed about some properties of addition of rational numbers. In the fourth part, we shall be discussing about subtraction of rational numbers and its properties. The difference of two rational numbers a by b and c by d is defined as a by b minus c by d equal to a into d minus c into b divided by b into d. Let us take an example. Subtract 6 by 7 from 4 by 5. 4 by 5 minus 6 by 7. In the numerator of first rational number into denominator of second rational number minus numerator of second rational number into denominator of first rational number divided by the multiplication of denominators of the rational numbers. And if we multiply, we get 28 minus 30 divided by 35. It is equal to minus 2 by 35. The same way, in the second example, we have to subtract minus 8 by 9 from minus 3 by 5. After the calculation, we get that it is 13 by 45. In the third example, minus 2 by 3 minus 5 by 6. The same way, we have got that the result is minus 27 by 18. Now we have to convert this to the standard form. So after cancelling out a numerator and denominator by the common factor 9, we get minus 3 by 2. Now let us see some properties of subtraction of rational numbers. The first property is closure property. It is same as the closure property of addition, which states that the sum of two rational numbers gives another rational number. Here, if a by b and c by d are two rational numbers, then a by b minus c by d, the result is also a rational number. We will see with one example. Let us consider two rational numbers 7 by 3 and 3 by 4. Then 7 by 3 minus 3 by 4 gives us the numerator of first rational number into the denominator of second rational number minus the numerator of second rational number into denominator of first rational number divided by the product of the denominators, which will give us the result 19 by 12. 19 by 12 is also a rational number. In the second example, we are considering two rational numbers minus 3 by 5 and 2 by minus 3. Minus 3 by 5 minus 2 by minus 3 is equal to minus 3 by 5 minus within bracket the standard form of 2 by minus 3, that is minus 2 by 3 will give minus 9 plus 10 divided by 15, which is equal to 1 by 15. The second property is commutative property. Again, the same as the commutative property of addition, which states that if a by b and c by d are two rational numbers, then a by b minus c by d is not equal to c by d minus a by b. That means if we change the order of the rational numbers, the result is not same. To prove this, to see the validity of the property, we are taking two rational numbers 3 by 4 and 7 by 8. 3 by 4 minus 7 by 8, I have written 3 by 4 in the first place and 7 by 8 in the second order. We get the result is minus 1 by 8. Now we change the order of the rational numbers. That means 7 by 8 we shall be writing in the first position and 3 by 4 in the second order. Here, after the calculation, we get that the answer is 1 by 8. Now, minus 1 by 8 is not equal to 1 by 8. It means 3 by 4 minus 7 by 8 is not equal to 7 by 8 minus 3 by 4. We can see that associative property, identity property and inverse property do not hold good under subtraction. So we have only the closure property valid for subtraction. Let us go through exercise 1.3. From 1 to 8, you can solve the problems as assignment. So from question number 9, it is given that the sum of two numbers is minus 5 by 3. If one of the number is minus 12 by 3, what is the other number? Let the other number be x. According to question, minus 5 by 3 plus the other number is equal to minus 12 by 3. So keeping x alone on one side and taking minus 5 by 3 to the other side, if we subtract minus 5 by 3 from minus 12 by 3, we get it is minus 7 by 3. That means minus 5 by 3 plus minus 7 by 3 gives minus 12 by 3. Question number 11. What should be added to within bracket 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 6 to get 1? So 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 6 is written inside a bracket. That means it is considered as one number. So first we have to find the value of the sum of the rational numbers. So how to solve this? Let the number be x. That means within bracket 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 6 bracket close plus x equal to 1. So x equal to 1 minus within bracket 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 6 bracket close. So as there are three rational numbers, we have to find the LCM and then find the sum. The LCM of 3, 4 and 6 is 12. If we add the numerators, we get 4, 3 and 2. After adding 4, 3 and 2, we get 9. So, the value of x is equal to 1 minus 9 by 12. So, there is the denominator of 1 can be written as 1. Find the LCM of 1 and 12, that is 12. After the subtraction, we get the value as 1 by 4. Therefore, if we add 1 by 4 to 1 by 3, 1 by 4 and 1 by 6, we get the result 1. Now multiplication of rational numbers. If a by b and c by d are two rational numbers, then a by b into c by d is equal to a into c divided by b into d. That is, product of two rational numbers is equal to product of numerators divided by product of denominators. Here, question number 1, multiply 3 by 4 by 3 by 7, which will give 3 by 4 into 3 by 7 equal to numerator into numerator 3 into 3 divided by denominator into denominator 4 into 7, which is equal to 9 by 28. Next question is simplify 1 by 3 into half plus half into 1 by 4. So here, according to the Bodmas rule, we have to solve the quantities, solve for the quantities which is inside the bracket first, then we can do the addition. Inside the brackets, 1 by 3 into 1 half and half into 1 by 4. We get the product as 1 by 6 plus 1 by 8. Now we find the LCM of 6 and 8. It is 24. And if we add, the answer we get is 7 by 24. In the next example, it is given that within bracket minus 7 by 9 into 15 by 3 minus 2 into 3 by 4 plus 1 by 3 into 7 by 2. So again using the property of multiplication, minus 7 into 15 divided by 9 into 3 minus 2 into 3 divided by 4, 4 into 1 plus 1 into 7 divided by 3 into 2. It will give minus 7 into 15, it is minus 105 divided by 27, and we have converted it to standard form as minus 35 by 9. The second term is minus 6 by 4. We have to convert this also to standard form 3 by 2 plus 7 by 6. Now we get minus 35 by 9 minus 3 by 2 plus 7 by 6. We have to find the LCM of 9, 2 and 6, and after simplification we get that minus 70 minus 27 plus 21 divided by 18, that is equal to minus 76 by 18. Again we have to convert it to standard form, which will give minus 38 by 9.